Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Firstly, let me introduce myself first to you. My name is Andra. I'm 13 years old and I am from ALMANAR Islamic boarding school. In this time I'm standing in this place, I would like to tell you a story about folklore of Tapaktuan by the title The Tale of Dragon's Daughter. Once upon a time, in the sea of South Aceh, there lived a couple of dragons that were very powerful. One day, they saw a small boat that carried a husband, a wife, and their baby daughter. The female dragon was very happy to see the little baby and intended to take her. Using a great power, the dragon made a tsunami, and the high tide set the little baby apart from her parents' arms. The female dragon quickly took the baby. In 15 years later, Princess Dragon accidentally heard the conversation between her parents. They said that she wasn't a daughter of a dragon, but a daughter of a man. Princess Dragon intended to escape, and suddenly she saw a fishing boat. It is very unusual for a boat to be brave enough to pass this area, says the Princess Dragon, confused. She immediately waved her hand and left the island. When the dragons woke, they realized that their daughter wasn't there. They looked toward the sea and they saw a fishing boat that ran slow. "Oh, fisherman, you have taken my daughter. I won't let you survive," says the female dragon as she waved her tail and spitted a huge fire. The condition disturbed a hermit named Tuan Tapa from the cave of Kalam. Oh dragon, why do you want to sink the fisherman's boat?" asked Tuan Tapa. "I want my daughter back," says a male dragon. "But Princess Dragon is not your child. You took her a few years ago, and I will not let your bad intentions separate a daughter of a man with her environment and family for the second time," answered Tuan Tapa. Tuan Tapa swung his magic wand toward both dragons, and the male dragon was destroyed, and female dragon fled to China Sea. After the battle, Tuan Tapa went back to his hermitage, and the Princess Dragon was reunited with her parents. This legend is increasingly by clarified of giant footprints and a very long grave that is believed to be the footprints and the grave of Tuan Tapa. By local people, it's called Tapaktuan area. I think just this is what I can tell to you, and the last I said, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.